Today I am talking about Microsoft Excel 2010 full course. Hope if you see this video fully, you can operate Microsoft Excel 2010 automatically without any help from others. But after uh, after learning Microsoft Excel 2010, you have to practice on weekly basis for at least 1 hour per week. That is how to open, how to work on workbook, how to save, how to insert files, how to insert pictures and other documents in the file. Before going to Microsoft Excel 2010 class, I am giving some basic ideas, like you have to know about the computer and what is this to all of us. At present, you know that without this computer, no work can be possible, and it uses in all the fields like education, hospitals, banks, railways, airlines, marketing, manufacturing units, industries, etc. I am not going to explain more, but before learning Microsoft Excel 2010, you have to know basic ideas, like computer is seen by two types, that is, one is desktop and other is laptop. In these two, you will find some advantages and disadvantages. Again, you will see two types of softwares, like one is operating system and other is working software. Without this system, computer cannot be running. Now I am going to start discussion on Microsoft Excel 2010. I remind you that if you know one version of any software, you can operate any version of any software depending on the practice and knowledges. Firstly, you have to open this software by double clicking, and then you will see all the things in computer for Microsoft Excel 2010. Now Microsoft Excel 2010 can be opened by two ways. One, from start menu, or double click on Microsoft Excel 2010. You will see a workbook. This is called workbook, has come up. This is the menu bar. This is the toolbar. This is menu. You will see in each menu bar have some sub menus. You see save menu, sub menu, save as, open, close, new, print, etc. In home to you will see this is the toolbar or sub menu. Each tool have different work. So now I close this workbook. Now I press on close. Thus this workbook has been closed. Now I want to open a new book, new workbook. Press 1. You see blank workbook and create. You press create. That means workbook has come and created. And you will see one sheet, first workbook, second workbook, third workbook. Or you can add fourth workbook. In number of occasions you can add workbook. So you will see This is the column bar and this is the row bar. This is the scrolling bar. You can up and down. You can use as up and down. You will see I am in first row and first column. Now I want to write ARUN. Now I am going to second column. Go be in do. You will see now I am going to third. Now I put some figures 63, or now I am going to fourth column 96. You see how to change. So now I want to change into bold letter. Press B. Now you see change. If you want to change italic, you will italic. It will see that word has changed into italic. If you want to underline, you will underline. Have you seen? So you can change the size of the word. You can you see 14. How to change? So each and every tool have different word. You will see more and more. You will practice as you will. So mainly figure works have been done in MS Excel. All the figure works can be done in MS Excel. So how will see this one 63 96. So select this thing equal to sign. Plus I am adding, enter 159. How to add these figures? So all the figures can be done accordingly. If you want to change the color of this thing, so go press color, you will see. If you change the background, you will go here, press on. So I have told a number of times that each and every tool have every function different. So you will use, I am going to home, file menu, home menu, I am going to insert. If you want to insert a picture, I am going to, you can table and or you can pick a picture. So I am taking this picture, insert. You see how to picture has been insert. So if you want to insert any of the pictures which has stored in your computer, that can be taken smoothly. Now I am going to page layout. Here you will see how to set up margin. You can go to margin, orientation, size, etc. Each and every print as you like. Now I am going to formulas. Here auto sum, enter 63. So lot of formula you can use, and as per your choice you can do. Now I am going to data. If you sometimes you have to two types you have to make salary sheet. Then you have to take data from other files. Then you have to use data menu and you see existing connection from other sources, etc. Now I am going to review menu. Here also some tools are here and you can use this for your choice. Now I am going to view menu. You will see some zoom menu, etc. Now I am going to develop. Now you have understand normally how to operate the Microsoft Excel. So if you want Excel and if you want to save this page or file, it calls file, save, then you go to save menu, save. You can save in desktop, downloads or documents, places, documents, where pictures, etc. So now I want to save this file in documents, save. Yes. Now this page has been saved. So normally you have learned from this video so lot of how to operate the Microsoft Excel 2010. You will practice as and when get times. It will help for your own purpose and also service purpose. You have to know all the software, especially you have to know MS Office. MS Office includes Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Access. The 4 important softwares you have to know thoroughly and knowledgeably. So if you learn these 4 softwares, you will do the work for own purpose and also service purpose. So now I close the class for the day. Thank you very much.